Waterproofing is my industry. A lot of people don't understand waterproofing, but waterproofing is water diversion away from the building's envelope. It's taking 50,000 pieces of a constructed project and putting them all together to form one piece. From that, you have sealants that occupy 1% of the building's envelope that could be responsible for 90% of the water intrusion. 80% of all construction litigation is associated with water intrusion. So waterproofing is extremely critical when you put all the pieces together in a home, commercial, or high-rise structure. And the industry really doesn't understand waterproofing. Now, I've been looking and analyzing, eating, sleeping, waterproofing for 30 years, but every day I meet people and they don't even understand what waterproofing is. Waterproofing is critical if you're not going to have your building go into litigation.